All right, part 4 of this affiliate site that made me close to 7 figures. Just kind of going through the whole process of this website, answering all the questions. Today's video topic is going to be about affiliate programs. Very important because you need to know which affiliate programs to pick. You need to know why, what the benefits are to some over others. And I want to show you my whole process for my affiliate programs and also show you some old screenshots as well, which I'm surprised I still have. I didn't even know I still had these. I got, of course, a bunch from Amazon and then a bunch from like private affiliate programs where I've done, millions of dollars. Not with this site alone, but just in general, this site contributed to it. But let's first just talk about the difference between affiliate programs like Amazon and then private affiliate programs like Augusta or like Goldco, which you see right here. Now, Goldco, they had an old affiliate platform called Traffic and Offers, and they switched. This is a screenshot just that I can't get any data from inside. This is the only screenshot I kept. This is like for half of 2022 where I made over $1 million in commissions there. Again, not all from this website, but partially it was from this website. But before we get into those numbers, I want to talk about the difference between public and private affiliate programs. Now, the biggest public affiliate program really is like Amazon, right? And the thing with Amazon is it's very easy to make sales. But the downside is you don't get paid much, right? And I'm going to talk about this process, which is really important to understand because it's going to help you with your approach to affiliate marketing, knowing how to approach things as you build out sites. What type of offers to do, when to do them, when to kind of switch offers. That's all going to be talked about in this video. But the good thing about Amazon, I like starting newer people with Amazon. The reason is because Amazon, you can sell anything. Okay, you can make a commission from selling anything on Amazon with an affiliate link. And the big thing with Amazon is they're already trusted, right? They've done the big work of building the brand, and when people go to their website, they trust the website, and they're very highly likely to make a purchase. They can even go to Amazon through your affiliate link for a product, and if they buy other products with that visit, you still make a commission off those other products. So Amazon's cool in that way where it's very high converting. Okay, it's very high conversions. Again, people trust it. There's tons of offers there. It's an easy process. They've built the trust. Amazon's super easy to start making sales with. The downside to Amazon is you don't make much. Okay, as far as percent per sale. Typically, you're making like a couple percent per sale, so you're not making much. So if we go through my the money I made here, I started the site in June. First month I made $3, $100 the next month, and then let's see. Then we got 100 again, 140, 220, 850. Starting to kick up here now, 1,000. Then we had 1,600, 4,200, 3,500, 3,500. 5,600, and then my top month right here was 8,500, and that's when the site around got started coming down in traffic. I talked about why in the last video. Then you got 3,600, 2,600, 2,000, 2,000. Then it went on to make money for quite a while, right? There's still in the thousands here, even when the site was way down traffic with Google, and continued to make $1,000 a month, a few $100 a month for quite a few years. If I scroll through here, a few hundred a month, a few hundred a month, a few hundred a month, like still doing pretty well. So again, the big thing with Amazon is it's the best way to get started. You're going to make sales quickly and you're going to see conversions. If you've never done affiliate marketing before, it's a great place to start. Now, this money that you see here is like the low amounts that I made with this site, right? I made tons of sales with Amazon, like thousands of sales, but I made nowhere near the amount I made with the private affiliate programs. So all this money you see here was like a very small amount that this website made through Amazon, although that's where a bulk of my sales were. A bulk of the money was made here, right? I mean, you see these lifetime commission over $1 million, right here, this affiliate program, only 8 months, over $1 million in commissions. The big money is made with the private affiliate programs, but those affiliate programs are harder to convert. That's why I like to get people started with Amazon, make sales, get their, get their juices flowing and their confidence going. Then from there, start transitioning to the private affiliate programs. Now, I'm going to show you also how I set up my links within the website dashboard here. So if I scroll down here, I use a plugin called Pretty Links for all of my affiliate links. You can't do that for Amazon. You cannot use pretty links for Amazon. You have to use the Amazon affiliate link. If you put it in a pretty link, they can ban you from the program, so just be aware of that. But you can see here, like for my private affiliate programs that I signed up for, I have 39 pages, over 775 links for private affiliate programs. And I always create a pretty link for each one. What a pretty link means is it's like a redirect, right? So instead of having like a long affiliate program, so if we click on this one, instead of having, when they hover over the button or whatever it is, instead of them seeing something like this, they're going to see this URL right here, right? officialtop5.com/go/AHG. Whatever you put here is where they'll go. So I could just put /AHG, but I always typically put go with my affiliate links and then the destination right here. But as you can see, if I go back to my pretty links, that is a lot of pretty links, right? And I had a lot of clicks. If we just look at this first page right here, where we have 39 pages of affiliate links, and these are my private affiliate programs, you can see we have thousands of clicks, right? These two alone right here have 4,000, right? There's easily 5,000, 6,000. On this page alone, we have, close to 10,000 clicks for private affiliate programs. Now, what I did with this website is for most products, I just started with Amazon, right? So let's start with the Amazon links. Then once I started seeing sales come in, I would do further research to see if there's private affiliate programs out there for the Amazon products. So if we go back to Official Top 5 Review and we go to Best, just as an example, so like world history books. You can sell world history books on Amazon, right? But typically, maybe a world history book's $20 and you're going to make like 2%. You're going to make a couple pennies per sale, right? Not much. But what you can do, and I don't know if I did this for this, I'm just going to give you an example. You can go type in world history book affiliate program, and this is how you start finding private affiliate programs. Now, the difference between a private affiliate program and a public is usually you get paid a lot more with percentage with the private, okay? So what I did is once I started seeing sales come in for a product or a particular page, then I would convert that page to more private offers if it made sense. If there was private offers out there that were, higher dollar, higher percentage, all that type of stuff, well, then I would definitely switch things up, right? So let's go back to my top 5 page here. Maybe this isn't the best example just because, world history books aren't like a big selling product. But let's just go. You'll understand the process anyways. So let's bring this up right here. So once we load this page, that's loading pretty slow there. All right, so like this right here, let's see if this still works. This is an Amazon link right here, so it does still work, it seems. All right, so my top product is $47. Okay, it's $47, and I would probably make 2% of that, which you do the math on that, pennies on the offer. Now, if I went to Google and typed in World History Book Affiliate Program, I could possibly find a private affiliate program that sells like a $200 history book where they pay 10%. So in that case, what I would do is I would review the product, make sure it's high quality, make sure people like it. Then I put that $200 product as my number one review. Because remember, most people are going to go with your number one review. Unless there's like a really big price difference, a lot of people are going to go with your number one review. So once I found an affiliate program for that, that has a higher paying or a higher priced product that has a higher payout, then I'm going to put that program as my number one offer, move everything down. Then my number one offer is now $200 with a 10% payout. That's $20 per sale instead of like 20 cents per sale, right? Across 800 pages, that makes a huge difference. Again, yeah, I did make some money from Amazon. If we go back here, maybe I made, I don't know, you add that all up, 40, 50 grand. That's not much, right? Most of my money, a few hundred grand, probably even more than that, was done through private affiliate programs like Augusta and like, and of course Gold probably made me the most, and like Goldco. But accumulatively, it was made through tons of different private affiliate programs. And I didn't start, because the problem is if you start with all private affiliate programs, you don't know if you're even going to get traffic. So I just put up Amazon stuff until it starts getting traffic. Then once traffic comes in for a particular page, then I'll transition to the private affiliate program. Because The downside of the private affiliate program is that you have to go sign up for it individually, right? Like every private affiliate program you have to sign up for individually. So you're going to have hundreds of accounts for each affiliate, because each affiliate program is its own account when it's private. Like Augusta is its own affiliate program. Goldco is its own affiliate program. I have to sign up separately for these because they're private. Amazon, you just sign up once and they give you links for all the different products they have. So it's very simple. So if you're starting a site like this, what I recommend is start simple. Do mostly Amazon stuff for one big affiliate program, one big affiliate network, and then from there, once your pages are getting traffic, you can transition and start looking at private affiliate programs. So let's do let's do PC TuneUp software. So PC TuneUp software is obviously sold on Amazon as well. So let's do PC TuneUp software affiliate program. This is how you find private affiliate programs. I can't type today. And I spelled that wrong. All right, so let's go down here. All right, here, so Iolo, which I'm a member of, right? I have that private affiliate program, if you remember from the last video, with my coupon code. And we talked about the importance of coupon codes, right? They're very high converting. You can also get things like coupon codes with Iolo. So let's come here. And let's just see I haven't done this in so long, so I don't remember what their prices are. So earn up to $60 selling Iolo software. So let's just pretend you make $40 per sale. On Amazon, you're probably making like a couple bucks per sale, right? So for selling the same product, you can likely make a lot bigger percentage through the private affiliate programs. And this is just one example, but like people like for gold and precious metals, I'll notice they'll be selling stuff and they'll make like $25 per lead. I'm like, man, you can make like, again, with Official Top 5 Review, for that one sale, the first one I did alone, I made like 55 grand in commissions, right? Whereas someone else who was lazy and didn't look for private affiliate programs, they would have made 25 bucks for that same sale because they get paid per lead, 25 bucks per lead, which is nothing, right? When you could be making 10% per sale with some of these offers now. So that's how I recommend you do your affiliate programs. And that's kind of like the difference between public and private. Remember, a platform like Amazon, another one would be like CJ.com. You got ShareASale.com. These are like big affiliate networks. These are great, right? They're easy to do because you sign up once and they have tons of offers within their affiliate network. And you just get affiliate links and everything is managed within one platform, right? That's the benefit of having a big affiliate platform like Amazon or like Commission Junction or like ShareASale or any of these other platforms out there. ClickBank is a big one, right? These are all affiliate networks. You can make good money here, but the big money and the kind of like the offers that aren't as competitive are usually in the private sector, right? You have to usually manually search for them and sign up for them manually. That's where the big money's made. But usually I don't recommend people start there because you got to prove yourself first and get your traffic and kind of get some conversions and get your confidence going. Then from there, you can transition to those private affiliate programs, all right? But that's how I approach this site. I started mostly Amazon, some private stuff, right? Like the gold stuff I had private from the beginning just because I was already in that niche and I knew about it. But as I moved on and got more traffic, like for example, World History, I don't know if I did it for this site. I know I definitely did it for the PC TuneUp software because we have the Iolo coupon here, right? So down here, if you go to Iolo, you can see like on my review page, if you guys remember this, I have the coupon here, right? Where if you scroll down, people can put in a coupon and click here to activate, right? So what that does, it activates a coupon, takes them to their product under my affiliate link, and then they can buy it and I'll make a percentage. Before this page was getting traffic, I was just sending them to Amazon. They're buying it there, and I was making a much smaller percentage. So again, how I worked it was most pages were just Amazon, but as they got traffic and started generating sales, I would then research private affiliate programs, sign up, put those offers up top on my top recommended list as long as they were good products. And then from there, I was making a lot more money per page that I did that for because, although you have a lower conversion rate because it's off Amazon, your percentage that you're making is so much higher that you end up making a lot more either way. So it doesn't matter. But big lesson here is, you don't need to start projects like perfectly aligned. Like, you don't need to go sign up for hundreds of private affiliate programs for like a site like this and have them all ready and up on the pages. No, just start with Amazon mostly, right? All Amazon, very easy to do. Do the hard part. Get your traffic going, get your pages up, get everything rolling. Once the traffic's coming in, then you transition. Because the problem is, if you did all this from the beginning of sign up for hundreds of private affiliate programs and then you never get traffic, you just waste a lot of time. Sign up for Amazon. Super simple. One sign up. Tons of links in there. Put up the links. Generate traffic. Once you start seeing conversions and gain confidence, that's going to give you a big boost to then sign up for lots of affiliate programs. Because you're like, oh yeah, it's working. Like, the traffic's there. Now I just got to sign up for these private affiliate programs. Take it step by step. Don't rush things and rush to make it perfect from the beginning. Just get the traffic going, get some income coming in, and then transition from there. Right? Don't waste your time. So that's how I did this site right here. If you guys have any questions about anything, private affiliate programs, public, how I set up my pretty links or anything else, make sure you comment below and I'll either do another video if it's a big question or I'll just answer below. Have a good one, guys. Hope you enjoyed this.